Yeah, good morning, everyone. Um, I want to share with you my analysis on Euro JPY, and I'm trying to see if I can get to take advantage of the early reversal move on Euro JPY. We all know that the JPY pairs have been selling for like a month now. So let's quickly dive into it so that we can wrap it up on time. So presently, you will see that we have a zone here that has been rejecting price on a weekly and a monthly. So, and right now on a weekly, we have price as broken like two structures. We tested it and keep selling. So here right now, we are still very bearish. So we need to capture when we're about to be bullish, like a potential reversal for this move, because right now we are at this level that is very significant, that can help, that can help us. Sorry, I want to take this off. Okay, that can help us to identify a potential reversal, because this is a weekly time frame, and you can see, I think price came into this area more than 10 times, close to 10 times, and been rejected. And even if you check it from monthly, you see the same thing, but you will not just see the distribution clearly. So, so some people will prefer to take this from this area because because of this hot candle before this bullish move. So right now we are torn between this level and this level. So if I'm to start looking for a reversal here, because right now anything you do right now without a proper reversal pattern, without a proper reversal price action move, you will be trading a counter trend. So right now we're still bullish, we are bearish on the monthly, we are still bearish on the weekly, still bearish on a daily, still bearish on a daily, but even 4 hours were still bearish. So right now I'll be looking for, I'll be anticipating a shift in the structure of the market in 4 hours to start seeing a potential buy to the upside. So this is 4 hours. So if we're to read this market structure, we start saying, what do you see here? What do you see here? Lower lows and lower highs, lower lows and lower highs. Market keep making lower lows and lower highs. So now, the moment price stop making lows, start making highs, we start having a potential price to the upside. We start having potential of price to move to the upside. Now, I try to notice something in these 4 hours. After this low was created, I saw a a minor pattern, a minor reversal pattern, which is an inverse head and shoulder. So this is going to be more uh, clear on the lower time frame, like 1 hour, 15 minutes, or 30 minutes. So now I marked it out. You can see this is the left shoulder and there is the right shoulder. And mind you, we are below the true month open. Like I said before, true opens are deep discount and deep premium. Right now, we're in a deep discount because we are below the 2 month open. So now the 2 month open needs to be broken to the upside, retested, then we're going to have price to the upside. So right now, the only thing that we can do right now is to anticipate this price reversal. So if I'm to anticipate this price reversal, so what will I do? Let's take it up a notch. I'm going to grab my head and shoulder tool. Remember, you have to draw your head and shoulder from a trend. We have a C is the area we identify, and this is a 2 month open. This is identifying to us that we are in a deep discount, as I was saying. So let's go to 1 hour to see how price actually is distributing in 1 hour. So in 1 hour, we can see the inverse head and shoulder clearly, and we can see the trend which this thing is coming from. So now, if we're to anticipate this, we take it from the last swing that forms this, then that makes the head, then we have this left, the right shoulder which has already been created, then we have this move. So right now we can have we can use this to navigate. You can see we have the left shoulder here, we have the right shoulder here, we have 1 hour already shifting into bullish, but we still have our 4 hours bearish. Uh, our daily is still very much bearish. So right now, because we are below the 2 month open, that gives me um, a conviction. Although this is not yet an A plus setup, but this could play out at least 70%, or it hold like 50-50% for you to catch this trade, because this is a reversal pattern and it's happening at the monthly support. So let me put it there. This is a monthly support. Monthly support. Let me put it at the right side. So you can see this is happening at the monthly support, weekly support, and a daily support. So right now, if this is happening at a strong zone, so all we need to do is to wait for a break of this neckline. Wait for a break of this neckline. So once this neckline is broken, we're going to be having our 4 hours shift in structure. So we can take this to this level. At least this is 3 to 1. So once we have this, if this neckline here is broken, and you can see this is the 4 hour swing, the last 4 hour swing before we have this head and shoulder. So if this swing that I box here becomes the neckline at this level, so if we have a break and a retest of this level, especially if we have a daily candle close above this level, we just wait for price to come back into it, then we can now buy it from here to this level and wait for other confirmation for continuation to the buy side. So that is it right now about euro JPY, and most JPY pairs has the same setup right now. So you can go and check it yourself and look into it. Don't forget, we're also using time and price to navigate what this timing where we are trading is. So if I'm to use time and price right now, let me activate So I'm going to deactivate the weekly cutter and the monthly cutter. I'm going to activate just the daily cutter. So to see which cutter and what is happening right now. So now this is the daily cutter. If we already know one thing, what do we know that is very certain is that we know that the first quarter, if the first quarter accumulated, we're going to have what? Manipulation in the second quarter, distribution the third quarter, and we have continuation in what? In the fourth quarter. So we have it 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So where are we right now? We are also in another manipulation. The first manipulation has happened when price came in here. You can look at it. It came in here, which is the manipulation daily quarter. So if you're using this to identify your price, identify time that all these things happening, this edge will always form. If you're using head and shoulders pattern for a reversal confirmation, you should know this. And I can promise you, nobody is doing this, nobody is saying this, nobody is putting this type of material out there. I'm telling you this, that the head is always forming a valid head and shoulder pattern. If it was inverse head and shoulder, promise you, the head will always form in this quarter. That is so sequential. If you're looking for a sequence that align with your buyers, I'm telling you, this is the sequence you're looking for. The reversal pattern you're looking for the head to happen in a manipulation quarter. Then when you get to distribution quarter, you're looking for a break of structure, which has happened here. Now, the break of structure has formed the left shoulder, so we're about to move the price higher. Keep watch, keep notice of this analysis and see how it plays out. The only thing that can disrupt this analysis is an economic news. So the sequence and what makes this really special is for you to know that you're using the pattern to recognize time and price. So if time and price is so important in what we do as a trader, in what we analyze as a trader, then there's a pattern that always form that is a guideline. And I found out that this is always happening. If you look at what I posted yesterday, you'll see that the same thing is happening with AUD USD. The AUD USD analysis I put on YouTube yesterday, you can go back and check it, go to my page and check it. You will see it. The same thing is happening. This reversal pattern, anytime you have the head is always dipping into higher time frame key zone and is always at the manipulation queue. And at this level, this is the manipulation queue because here we have accumulation. You can see the price did not move. Here, what did we see? This is we're in manipulation queue here and the head form. After the head form, we are always looking for what? We are always looking for a break of structure. So we have a break of structure here. So when we have a break of structure, what do? We wait for a retest of that level to buy back up. And that is where we are right now. And now we're not even taking the buys right now. We are waiting for the neckline of this level to be broken. So we can take it back. We can buy back to the 2 month open. So this is already showing us that once we break this level and close bullish, we're already shifting gear, change of character in 4 hours. So we can take a sharp one from here to this level. Then after we have a proper shift in daily, then we can start buying back up again and see how the price action will unfold. Because we allow the price to come to us, we don't just predict price. This is time. We use time and price to know exactly what we are doing at a particular time. So, guys, this is what I have for you today. So, once my course is released, it's going to be free for all. Then you will be able to understand the total concept from basic to basic. So, drop a comment below, like, subscribe, and if you want me to keep dropping content, trader, there's so many false information out there, but this is what will play out in front of you. It's up to you to master it. So if you want me to drop my course, my two full course based on this price action analysis, market structure analysis, follow, like, and subscribe. Support my channel. Let's push it to the world. Thank you.